Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is methohexytol sodium synthesis. Okay, so before going to the synthesis of methohexytol sodium, we should know about this drug. Actually, this is a drug which is comes under the general anesthetics. So we should know about the general anesthetics. General anesthetics are group of drugs that produces loss of consciousness and therefore loss of all sensations. Actually, the absolute loss of sensation is termed as anesthesia. General anesthetics bring about descending depression of the central nervous system, starting with the cerebral cortex, then the basal ganglia, after then the cerebellum, and finally the spinal cord. These drugs are used in surgical operations to induce unconsciousness and therefore abolish the sensation of pain. Okay, actually, the general anesthetics are of two types, which are inhalation anesthetics and intravenous anesthetics. So, now come to the synthesis of the methohexytol. So for the synthesis of methohexytol, diethyl malonate and the product is 3-bromoprop 1-ene. These are two products which whenever these both products are reacting with yeast together in the presence of sodium ethoxide, okay, whenever diethyl malonate and 3-bromoprop 1-ene is reacting with yeast together in the presence of sodium ethoxide, it releases the HBr from the reaction and make an intermediate product. And when the first intermediate product is reacting with again sodium ethoxide and another product, it reduce the HBr again and make an second intermediate product. Okay, this one is a second intermediate product, and when the second intermediate product is reacting with N-methylurea and sodium hydroxide, this is a alkali, it reduces C2H5OH from the reaction and make finally the methohexytol sodium. This is the methohexytol sodium. Actually, this is a drug. Okay, this is the synthesis of this drug. Now come to the properties and uses of the drug. Actually, this is a white to off-white hygroscopic powder, essentially odorless, and the solution is alkaline to litmus, soluble in water. Methohexytol produces more rapid recovery from unconsciousness than thiopentol. Thiopentol is another drug. It is more potent than has shorter duration of the action. Okay, it is used for the induction of anesthesia through the intravenous administration. It has two advantages over thiopental sodium. First one is being it has less affinity towards fatty tissues, and second one is it has a great potency. Its onset of action is quite speedy, comparable to thiopental sodium, while its recovery is more rapid. For these reasons, this intravenous anesthetic is specifically useful for short surgical operations, okay, such as oral surgeries, gynecological investigations, genitourinary procedures, and electroconvulsion therapies. This is the properties of this drug methohexytol. This is a general anesthetics, and this is the use of this drug. Okay.